What's going on, you beautiful people? Welcome to another video. And since last week we were talking about drones, tonight I wanted to talk about the experience I had in Japan and how my drone crashed in Japan. And this made me reflect on how far the drone technology has come. You know, when I was flying my drone, I did not know where it is. I had to keep an eye on it. There was no GPS map, there was no app. I could not see where I'm flying because I didn't have a live feed. I was recording the video on my GoPro, so I can't really see where I'm going. And all that resulted in I guess a dangerous experience because I did essentially fly blind. So I am here at the Fukuoka Tower. I'm thinking, okay, so it's a perfect time. I can see the lights have turned on. It is a beautiful view. Let me take some footage so I can share with you guys. So I'm slowly climbing, going up higher and higher and higher. I pass the tower and I think, okay, it seems like I'm in a perfect spot. As I get to the top of the tower, I'm thinking, okay, so maybe time to come down now. And my drone is not responding to my controls. It just keeps drifting towards the sea. There is a fly safe mode where if you switch off the controller, essentially what happens is the drone will come back to where you took off and land automatically. Not sure why this time it didn't do that. I see the drone coming back towards me and I'm excited. Okay, this is good, this is good, this is good. And then I just see it keeps going. It keeps passing me at a very high speed and I was shocked. I'm like, what do I do now? What do I do now? I'm thinking, I'm panicking. Then I turn this controller back on. So I'm thinking, okay, let me control this now. Let's see if I can control it. I turn the controller back on, not responding. For some weird reason, it does some like a 360, does some spinning, and it starts spinning, and then it goes behind. It goes to a different direction. And it goes behind the building and I cannot see it anymore. So at that moment I am so sad. I'm like, oh my god, I have no idea what's gonna happen. So I actually thought it will just keep going towards one direction, maybe towards the sea, and I will never find it again, or it will just drop out of the sky when the battery finished. I spent about 4 hours, I'd say, looking everywhere and I couldn't find it. So all the footage I had, all the footage from Japan, from China, from Singapore, all the travel footage was in GoPro and I had nothing. I lost everything. After 4 hours, I give up. I thought, you know what? I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can find it. So let's just go back. We'll go back to a hotel. Yeah, I go back towards the tower and there's a parking lot, and I go through the parking lot and I realize that there's a fence at the back, so I can't get out from the other side. So I come out and I go from the pedestrian side. As I come out around the pedestrian side, I'm walking down. A few seconds in, I see something on the sidewalk. Oh my god, is this my drone? Oh my god, holy Jesus Christ, how is that even possible? I sat down next to my drone. I broke down. I was in tears because I was so happy I found it, even though it was broken. But I was so excited. I was so happy that I actually found my drone, all the footage, and I'm here to tell you that story and show you the footage. I guess I'm thankful for the technology, that it's improved not so much that I can fly a lot better now, easier and more safe for everyone. And that's it for me today. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next week for the next video. And as always, stay real.